Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about something very important for IPTV users, EPG. So, what is EPG? EPG stands for Electronic Program Guide.
It gives you information about the channel you are watching, like what program is playing right now, what is coming next, and what will be shown later.
For example, when you open the TV guide, you can see the program names and their timings. This makes it much easier to find your favorite shows, movies, sports, and other programs. I tested many IPTV services, and one problem I noticed was that most services had very limited EPG. Many channels did not have any EPG information. After testing many different services, I finally found NewIPTV.site,
where I found a lot of channels with EPG information compared to the other services I tested.
So, if EPG is important to you, and you want to easily check what is playing now and what is coming next, NewIPTV.site is a service you can check out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.